Alright, good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, you'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. There will be giving out you trade on USD pairs. So if you're interested in trading any USD pair, all you just have to do is go to the comment section, click on the link, go to the Telegram channel, and it is totally free, by the way, completely free, so you can get to trade with us for free. So let's see what we will be expecting next on our gold. Let's start with our trend. We clearly can see that our trend on gold is literally on an uptrend move. That is the overall trend on our gold is an uptrend move. Then let's take a look at our current trend. We clearly can see that the market is literally ranging within this level. Our current trend is ranging markets, but the overall trend is actually a bullish move. So we clearly can see that once market comes to tap our resistance, we tend to see drop to our support. Then it will come to tap our resistance. Then it will come to our support. You can see tap the resistance here, came to our support. Tap the resistance, came to our support, and now it is pushing to our resistance level. So we are currently trading at 3392. We should be expecting to tap a level of 3403. So this is our level, this is our target level for, or you can say 3400 or 3403, whatever level you want. I think 3403 should be our precise level. Then from there, I'll give you guys some updates on what you should be expecting is, because there is a huge possibility that market will likely fall again once it taps this our resistance level. So be very, very watchful. Stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section.